Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar breaks through that resistance of 75.2025 overnight and now surges on towards the next resistance, which is seen at 75.65, which is held this morning. In light of the current pattern, we are in extreme overbought area, and also you can see here that the histogram on the MACD is extremely high, with the trend also overheating around that 55 area. In light of the current pattern, I expect to see the market either retreat from 75.65 to 76.30 area and then look towards the downside, with the immediate support coming in at 75.25 as minor, and a break beneath 74.60-70 will give further exposure to the downside to 74.20 and lower around that 72 region. I feel that the market is now on its last leg to this bull run, and since the rebound from 71.40-60 is the fact that we are coming to the end of it, and I see beyond 75.65 as a supply zone with 76.30 capping. With the US dollar index breaking beneath 100.50, the euro overnight breaks lower. The euro overnight breaks above that 106.80 level and now looking towards that 107.45.55 to 108.20.50. It is viewed that this is the last leg also to this bull run since rebounding from that 103.40 area, and the market should struggle from this point onwards, and anywhere between 107.45.55 to 108.20.50 as a supply zone, and look for a move lower, with the immediate support coming in at 106.60 and then looking towards 105.70.85 as a break level. Beneath there reinstates the downside to 103 and reassess from there. But also we do need to see the dollar index break above 100.70 now to support a further rally. The dollar yen story, well, the market gets to its target of 112.60 after trading a low of 55 this morning. In light of the current rebound that's currently in play, that we're looking from this point of 50 up towards 113.10 to 113.60-65. Now a break above there would reinstate further bullish momentum towards 114 to 116, and as you can see here, the market is extremely oversold and looking towards the end of its sell-off. So I do expect to see 112.50-60 hold. However, a break beneath there would disappoint the bulls and see further exposure down towards a target of 110.20.40 around this region here and reassess from there. Sterling's explosive move to the upside takes out the 121.30.40 level and now back to the highs of 8 days ago around that 124 region. It is unlikely to see the market sustain any further now, with resistance capping at 124.50.65 and looking now immediately to the support of 123.50 and lower down towards 122.65 to 121.65.75. If we do get a break above 124.50.65, then I'll be neutral and see how the market plays out in the next 24 hours. Gold impressively still rallies after breaking above 12.09 and gets to a high of 12.18 this morning. Between that resistance of 16.18, I expect to see the market retreat back towards the 12.12 support and then down towards 12.06 to 11.98 and reassess from there. With the resistance capping at 12.22.24 on the day, I expect to see any challenges towards that region failing. And to finish off with oil, you can see that we have a doji here, so the market is still indecisive of looking to go further to the upside, so I'll still hold the view towards 49.60 and see where the bulls return and defend this region. Resistance on the day expected to cap around 54.60. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, but as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released very shortly.